All right, here we go. Number 9. Adrian is helping to create eight model solar systems to install in his local elementary school. Okay, so we're building solar systems. He is in charge of creating the suns. If the diameter of each sun is 12 inches, how much paint will he need? Okay, first things first. A sun, well, that's a sphere, which I feel like we should do this in yellow. Whatever. No, it's harder to see. That is a sphere. And it says I have a diameter of 12. Is that right? Yeah, it's 12 inches. That way, but we need the radius. So radius equals 6. All right, and he wants to know how much paint. Well, is that just covering the outside or is that filling it? Well, if you're painting, you're just painting the outside. That is the surface area. So the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So SA equals 4 times pi times 6 squared, which I think that comes down to 144. Yeah, 144 pi is your surface area. But we are not done because he needs to make 8 of them. So that's 144 pi times 8. That's well over 1,000. So he needs 1,152 pi square inches of paint. Cool. That's how much paint he needs. All right, let's go ahead and do 8. Number 10. Name the figure. First things first. It is a pyramid because it comes up to a point, not a prism. And it's a square on bottom, so it's a square pyramid. It's easier to write. SQUARE. Pyramid. And let's just start finding stuff. So the area of the base is a square. So the base is what? 12 times 12. So the base is 144. So that's 144 inches squared. The base perimeter, well, it's 12 all the way around. So it's 412. So you can say 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. Or you can just say 4 times 12, because that's the same thing, which is 48. No, it's not a B. That's a P, because it's for perimeter. 48. And it's just inches, because perimeter is a distance. The height. Okay, they give you the height. They say from here to here is 15. So that's 15 inches. But they do not give you the slant height. SLANT, which is the letter L. All right, that is this guy, right? Boom. There. That is the L we're looking for. All right, so I know this is 15. I know this is 6, because remember, this is half of all the way across. Okay, so it was 12 across, so half the way across is 6. All right, so just pi hack it out. 6 squared plus 15 squared equals C squared. That's 36 plus 225. That's what, 261? 225 plus 36 is 225 plus 36, not times 36. 261 equals C squared. The square root of that is 16.15. 16.155. All right, so your slant height is 16.1. We'll just say 16. 16.16. And lead back out again. All right, so that's what we got so far. Pause if you need to. From here, you got everything you need. Lateral area. Let's do this in pink. Lateral area equals 1/2 perimeter times the slant height. So lateral area equals 1/2. What did I do there? 1/2 48 times 16.16. Yeah, 16.16. There's a dot. There's a dot right there. Anyways, 48 divided by 2 is what, 24. 24 times 16.16 is 387.84 inches squared. The total surface area is the lateral plus one base, because there's no base on top of the pyramid. Again, there's a base down here, but there's no base up here, so there's only one of them. So that's SA equals 387.84 plus a base is 144, 531.84, 531.84 inches squared, and I feel like I need a third color because we're starting to bleed over. Volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. Area is 144, height is 15. So volume equals 1/3 times 144 times 15. So that's 5 times 144. 720 inches squared. Get those words. Okay, that's the whole thing. All right. Found all my pieces. I did that in purple, and then each one, that formula, that formula, that formula.